In most instances, it's about the intensity of exercise when you get into a running program. You've got to take it very, very slowly and be quite patient to start with. Most people will make the mistake of jumping from being very, very sedentary into an exercise routine that's probably going to be too tough for them to cope with on a daily basis. So being patient and looking for the bigger picture is the key to getting into running. Possibly the most common mistake that a lot of people make is adhering to the no pain, no gain theory. What we'll probably find is that if we haven't been running or not running regularly, jumping from being sedentary into a run workout is probably too great a step to take in the first instance. So what you want to really do is slowly condition your body to running. It might even mean by starting a power walk or interspersing a walk with very small bursts of running, so that you can slowly and gradually adapt to the stresses of running and the rigours of running and lessen the chances of getting any injuries. That's really quite an individual question, depending on who's asking it. If it's someone who's been doing some sort of regular exercise, then possibly 2 to 3 times per week, and that's on alternate days. Make sure that you have a day off in between so that your body gets over that previous workout. If you're in a slightly more sedentary position, then possibly only 1 workout a week, building to 2, and then possibly 3 in the 3rd week. You really want to keep the intensity very, very low to start with. Again, you've got to look at the bigger picture. We really don't want to be trying to be up and running within the first week. It may be that we want to be a little bit more patient and say to ourselves it could take up to 4 to 6 weeks before we're actually running for the entire workout, maybe 3 times a week for 30 minutes in duration. Be patient. Slowly give your body the chance to get used to running. Make sure that if it's something that you haven't undertaken before, that we put some foundation blocks in place. We actually walk before we run. We then might include something that's a little bit more challenging. We might walk over hilly terrain, and then we might get ready to actually throw some running into the picture. Start with small bursts within a walking workout and then lengthen those bursts of running until you can possibly manage maybe 15 to 20 minutes of continuous slow jogging.